Hello, hey.
Mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa ODM Raila Odinga nĩakũmithĩtie njũragano iria ikoretwo ikĩgwetanio na maabithaa a borithi, kiuga ndawa ya kũnina ũhoro ũyũ nĩ gwĩkwo kwa mogarũrũku rũhonge-inĩ rũrũ amu gũtirĩ na nganja kwĩna gathĩna.
Police force here need a complete reform which has not been done in Kiganjo. So, and this is from the top going down. Because see, some of them don't see anything wrong with what happened in Kenjokoma. Killing such young life, you know, there can be no more impunity than that. But even if you leave, it's happening every day. One is in Nakuru, the other one is in Moranga, the other one is in Migori, the other one is in Kakamega, you go in Turkana, it's all over the place. The police is just against people. Our police force is completely anti-people. Natakikana mpaka sisi tubadilishe shirika yetu ya polisi. Na hiyo ni kitu ambayo mimi kama Raila Odinga na nia ya kufanya hivyo.
Raila arĩtie thutha wa komishoni ya kũrũgamĩrĩra ũtungata wa borithi ĩtongoretio nĩ mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wayo Eliud Kĩnuthia yanĩrĩire nĩ kwambĩrĩria mũtaratara wa gũthima maabithaa borithi ũgima wao wa kĩmeciria na muoroto wa gũkũũrana arĩa matagĩrĩirwo gũkorwo marĩ wĩra ũyũ kana arĩa marabatarania ũteithio.
I think you need to engage them at a different level. That also being managers, they must also behave like managers. Because the reason why you see most of them are getting shot by the juniors. Actually, that's one of the major reasons. That somebody is messing your family, you're just a young guy, you're a junior, you can't do anything because of the command structure. So what do? You shoot, kill, and you kill yourself.
We need to go in depth, look at the history, and really agree on how do we go about it. The issue of morality in the police and regulating policies on morality is the hardest area.
But you have not been able to find out why this happened. If somebody is hungry, even if you talk to him, he's not going to be satisfied. Give him food. Give these officers vehicles. Facilitate them. They do not require a lot of counseling. Counseling comes because of the working conditions of officers, long working hours, their living conditions, overstay of officers in one area. Like now I have been receiving a lot of...
Arĩ mbere ya kamĩtĩ ya mbunge, Kĩnuthia ongereire atĩ nĩ mambĩrĩirie gũthaitĩra maabithaa borithi 200 arĩa manyitĩkanĩte na thĩna wa kĩmeciria.
Because of lack of funding, we used to undergo courses at regional training centers. These days, almost all of them are not operating. Because even if when they are given money to operate, what we were being given 20 years ago, about 400 shillings to train that officers for 1 month, they are still getting the same amount of money.
Ndeto ĩno yumanĩte na wongerereku wa kuorotwo na gũcukwo kwa maabithaa borithi nĩ ũndũ wa ciĩko cia kũratha na kũraga raia matethaĩte na matharaita. Ciĩko ici ikĩonekana gũtamba matũũra-inĩ matiganĩte. Gĩko gĩa ica ikuhĩ arĩ wa gatatũ kiumia gĩkĩ kũrĩa mũtwarithia wa tuk-tuk Alex Macharia arathirwo mũrũrũngano-inĩ wa mũingĩ itũũra rĩa Kahawa West, kaunti ya Nairobi.
In 2021, 1960s was better than it is today in the way the police officers are facilitated.
And we saw this, we saw you.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo Njenga wa Wambui.